Don't even tell me you've missed making okra soup with ugu. I will not take that one from you because right there you are. You can get vegetables that behave exactly like ugu. Watch this video and see for yourself. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do that right away. Thank you. The first thing is to cook my proteins. I'll be using salt, seasoning cube, and onion for the beef. I've already cooked my fish. I'll be using some mackerel fish, and then I'll add my washed stock fish to this. Now this is my fish. I'll be frying it. So I'll be adding some water to the beef to continue cooking. I'll go ahead to prep the remaining ingredients. It is my crayfish and pepper. Please use enough crayfish. Okra, that is the oil bean seed. I'm supposed to use it for this recipe because my husband enjoys it so much in okra soup, but I ended up not using it. It's a kind of strong, the type we use for this particular for okra soup is the fermented type, like the soft one. That's why I added some water to it to see if cooking it would help, but it didn't work. So I'll figure out what I'll do with it later. And I'll be using kale as my vegetable. So I'll remove the stalk, wash with salt, and cut. Now the beef is well cooked. I'll add the blended crayfish and pepper. I'll add seasoning and salt. Added salt of camera though. Still will not even allow me to do this my video in peace. Like once I open the pot, everywhere will be covered with steam. I don't understand. Anyways, I just added my red oil. Now I'll be adding the vegetables, that is the okra, the kale, just immediately after adding the oil because I want the oil to still be fresh. In fact, I want everything to be fresh. think I need to add the remaining veggies at this point. Guys, this okra soup is okraing. So delicious. This is how my husband likes his okra. It kind of thick, but I want to make it lighter a bit. So I added some hot water. Please add hot water at this point so that the temperature of the content will not drop. Guys, I almost forgot my fried fish.